Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable remote access for Citrix Storefront store. So in your infrastructure, if you are not managing the Citrix Netscaler, so we need to get the gateway information from the Netscaler team and then we can integrate with the Storefront, the gateway. So most of the infrastructure, Citrix team will handle only controller storefront, but they will not manage Netscaler. So in this case, if you are not managing Netscaler, so you need to ask the network team to create the gateway. So to create the gateway from Citrix team end, we need to provide the storefront load balancer name and the store name. So this is a storefront server address. I'm not using any load balancer because I have only one server. That is the reason I mentioned only one server name, that is a storefront name. There is no load balancer here. This is a store address. Our store name is store. Citrix slash then web, this is the by default it will come if you are creating the store in the storefront. So our store name is store. So once you provide this information to the Netscaler team, they will create the gateway. The gateway address is access.citrixgsr.com. So now go to storefront because gateway has created in the Netscaler. Just go to storefront. First enable the Netscaler authentication. And then go to configure remote access option. So enable remote access, click add. So our Netscaler address is FQDN address https access.citrixgsr.com. Click next. Okay, sorry. This is our controller address, that is STA server. I have only one controller. If you have multiple controller, you can add the controller here, then you can check this box for the load balancing purpose. Now I have only one controller, so I'm not going to check this box. Click next. You can ignore this if you don't have callback URL. Create, click finish. Now we have enabled remote access for this store. Now you can go to browser, put the gateway URL here. So let me log in from the beginning. So we can able to access the Citrix application through Netscaler gateway. If you want, I can show you the internal URL, that is a storefront URL. So we can able to access through storefront URL also. Thank you.